Hi guys, Shii here. So I woke up today and thought, why not hit 15k steps? That's 8k more than I usually do on weekdays. And the best place to do this is definitely Karura Forest. Gosh, sinapenda Karura. Hey, I usually hike there once or twice a month. It's my go-to spot to clear my mind and really reconnect with myself on a deeper level. Now, kumenyesha usiku. It rained overnight, so I'm pretty sure it's all muddy out there. Matopes galore, but that just make it more fun, right? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and leave your comment down. I'm already in Karura Forest, and one thing I know, I'm about to get rained on. Maybe I deserve it because nanid kumea ninyeshewe, maybe ni mendio niache imposter syndrome na nianze ku create content, right? I need to grow up. So, these are the caves that Momo used to hide in during the rebellion. Na pia kuna historical landmarks kama trails and areas that, Momo walikuwa wanatumia. Tukifika hapo nitawaonyesha. Guess who is thinking of going way up there, right under the falls? Yeah, that's me. Ati, what do they say about hugging a tree? You know, spiritual people believe that hugging a tree is a way of exchanging energy with nature. So when you hug a tree, you're absorbing its energy. But wait, does the tree really lose its energy? Yeah? Anyway, it's also a way of connecting with nature. But whatever they say, I'm honestly enjoying this experience. Love you, tree! Reading a book or journaling are some of the things you can do here in Karura Forest, surrounded by nature's calm. Today, I decided to write a letter to my younger self, and this is what I wrote. Dear Shii, I know you're scared and I know you're hurting right now. It feels like the world is so heavy on your shoulders, and sometimes it feels like no one truly understands you. You might even feel like no one loves you. Like the people who say they do are only there when it benefits them. But listen to me. You don't need them. You don't need anyone who only loves you when it's convenient. You have everything you need within you. Sawa. I won't lie. Life will be tough. T for tough. But I promise you will make it through. You're stronger than you think. Shiko, you're more than enough. Oh, you're so beautiful inside and out. Your heart is so pure, and your spirit is brighter than you can imagine. Don't let anyone, including yourself, make you doubt that. Keep your head high. You're a queen. I know you look at others and wish for what they have, but soon you'll have everything you ever dreamed of. Your life will flow with love, peace, and abundance. Trust in the process. Be patient and know that everything will fall into place. Sending you all my love and light. You're never alone. I love you so much, Shiko. Keep going. Go, Shii.
Yeah, you can start calling me Prophet Shii. Remember I said it was going to rain. See, it's raining. In the middle of nowhere. Yeah. Hey, gosh. I don't know what to do with my life. I don't know where to go. But luckily, I got an umbrella. So, let's see how much it rains. Not even the rain is going to stop me from hitting my target. Sawa. I'm at 11K right now. It's not bad. It's something, but I still need to hit my 15K steps target. That's what brought me here. So yeah, twende, let's do this. Yo, guess who just hit her 15K steps target? Me. And I still have 3 more kilometers to exit, so bado zinaongezeka. So my watch went off. I forgot to charge it before leaving the house, but there's no way I was going to miss tracking my steps. I'm tracking it using my other phone. We are at 16K 917. I'll end the vlog here because the phone that I'm using to vlog, to record with, might go off anytime from now. It's at 10%. And hatutaki kukosa pesa ya kulipa fare. To watch up this far, gosh, I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Please leave a genuine comment down below, like and share. Sawa, let's meet in the other video, in the next one. I promise itakuwa moto kuliko hii. Bye guys.